हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू आवर चैनल लूज वाइजली। आज है 12 मई और जैसा कि पास्ट कुछ दिनों से मैंने कोई वीडियोस पोस्ट नहीं की है। तो आज मैं एक पॉइंट पे डिस्कस करना चाहूँगा। जैसे कि मैंने मेरे बायो में लिख रखा है कि आई एम अ पार्ट टाइम प्राइस एक्शन ट्रेडर। So the reason behind it, it will, the PNL I will show that will explain like why I'm still after 7 years a part-time price action trader. So as you have already seen in my videos, like that ceasefire thing took us at very low, and we have to give away around 6.26 lakhs rupees in a single day. So after 42 days and around 26 trading sessions, we are in just green. So if you think like we can do it full time, so if you have to pay bills, then this is the harsh reality of full time trading. So the reason behind it, like I will show the PNLs here. So as you can see, I was profitable in 17 days and only made loss in 3 days. Still, I end up losing around 1.58 lakhs in April month. So if you are relying on this profit, then like it will be very difficult to survive on. So first you have to put money away for survival of 1 year, and then only you can go for profitable trading with the result in 2 years you are profitable, a good amount of money you are making, then only you can pursue this full-time trading career. So in April you can see I have lost around 1.57 lakhs rupees. In May, I have traded around 6 days, lost in one, and we have made around 1.77. So overall, I just came green in this financial year, like only 20k rupees we have made after 42 days. So that's why I'm still a price action part-time price action trader, and maybe next 2 or 3 years I will be part-time only, because doing it full-time I have to keep money for my monthly expenditure. It should be around 20-25 lakhs. So then only I can continue for the full-time trading. So I guess before moving for the full-time trading career in so you have to think about the money can't be made in every month. So this is what I'm uh, giving you guys the thought. So hopefully I just made 20k after 42 days. Maybe this financial year I can go up to 30-35 lakhs, and this journey will be documented. So posting daily, it is a bit difficult, because everyone is having their own psychology and own system. So my system will not work for you. That's why whatever I am doing, you can't just copy that and make money, because the time I have given to the market, that's what I am doing, and trying to generate money. So the past month we have made losses around 1.58 lakhs, and in 3 days they have took us very down. So the learning from that particular month was, if I am taking any position overnight, then it should be with option buying. The hedging should be option buying. So I was prepared for 1500 to 1600 points gap up over gap down, but that was around 2700 points, and that just took 6.26 lakhs. And apart from that, like the put I have booked around 9:15 a.m. So the premiums were booked at 600, and after 1 minute it just cooled down, and it was at 50. So I have lost 1.1 lakhs that time as well. So these two learnings are like, if I am having any selling position and it is coming in my favor, then I have to wait a little bit for cooling it down. And the other thing, the hedging should be with option buying, because option selling won't save you. That 2500 points or 3500 points gap up or gap down won't be saved by option selling. because you are not aware like how much points market can gap up or gap down. So with those two learnings, I'm putting trades accordingly. So if the trades are having option selling one, then uh, after 3 p.m. I am putting hedging with option buying, and it is working fine for me. So that's why we have covered that 6.26 lakhs, and we are at 20k. So if that ceasefire thing won't happen, then I would have made around 5 or 6 lakhs rupees. So that's what I'm trying to say here. So the full time trading will be very difficult, because once your mind is thinking about paying bills, and then it will do blunders. So once you make a good amount of money, and you have survival money for at least 1 year, then only you should pursue for full time trading. So that's my opinion for you. And also, like, every individual should be having their own system, so you can learn from anyone on YouTube. Like, many people are teaching very good, and but you have to take bit and pieces from there, and just trade on your own, and you will be writing it down, like this mistake won't be happen the next time. So once you will note it down your mistakes, and in future if that thing is coming and you are not doing that mistake, then only you will be making money. So it is all about human behavior, and we have to fight with it. Because if market is doing anything that your mind is not registering, then you will be losing money, a lot of money. Like, on that ceasefire thing, if I try to cover it quickly, so that would have been very disastrous for me. So it took me 42 days. I'm having a full time software engineer career, and along with that, uh, I'm doing this thing. So that's why I'm surviving. So that's what I wanna convey to you guys. So keep a full time job first. Try to make money 2 or 3 years at least, and then only pursue for this full time career in trading. So this is it. So we are in green now after 42 days. Like, 26 trading sessions were there. We were profitable 22 days, only lost in 4 days, and still only 20k we have made. The last financial were was very, very, very awesome. Like, we have made a ton of money there. So hopefully, like, in 5 months I have made very great amount of money. Maybe still like 10 months are there, so we will be making money. And I'll try to guide you guys, like, when to add to your winners, and like when to cut your losses, and that's how you will be making money. So thank you everyone, thanks for listening. Welcome to our channel, Lose Wisely. Thank you.